How can I override standard handler 404, handler 403, handler 500 in Django? I have tried using this URL tutorial, but still I am getting the standard 404 HTML page. I want to switch into my custom view. I did debug it using Eclipse, then the value of handler 404, old value -django.config.default.views.page_not_found, is changed to the new value I have given, myview.views.custom_page_not_found. But it's still showing the older 404 page. And I have changed settings.py debug into false, then it shows the custom page. But it got some disadvantages. It won't load static files and all. Debug equals false is not the right way, so I had to reset to true. Do I have to make some other modification for implementing this?
I think you cannot change the 404 page in debug equals true mode without difficulty. There is a hint in the documentation, this URL. If debug is set to true, in your settings module, then your 404 view will never be used, and your OLConf will be displayed instead, with some debug information.
Try adding this to the bottom of your main urls.py. Swap out the 404.html to the appropriate template you use. I believe 404.html is the default though. Then with debug equals true you can test out your 404 page. If you want to test it out with debug equals true, then you need this at the bottom of your main urls.py instead. When running with debug equals false, don't forget to collect static. Hope this helps. Cheers!
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.